Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Samsung Galaxy M33. To do this, you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Right here, try to find the app called Google Classroom. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Allow all of the access, click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use or add another one. Now press on this plus button to join the class, enter the class code right here, and after clicking on the join button again, you should be with your class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.